The final results look like this when they're 3D printed. Now these are very thin and they can pull out. Hi, welcome to CarsAddiction.com. I'm Ryan and today we're going to tell you how to fix your Chrono clock very cheaply. Now these needles right over here tend to bend and fall out by time, by heat and whatnot, and they rotate on each other, making them fall and crack. Now these are manufactured by Paragon. If you contact Paragon, they're going to direct you to Porsche, and Porsche won't sell you the needles. They will sell you the whole unit, which cost about $700 brand new, and on the used market on eBay they'll cost around $300, give and take. That is a very expensive fix for something that would break again. This fix, actually, to get the needles sort of 3D scanned and printed, cost much more cheaper than actually buying the whole unit. And I'll be providing everything in the description below to get yours fixed. Now I went to a local company, 3D Invent Limited, who helped me to source these. They have everything on file, so you can contact them to get these needles, or you can click on the link in the description below to get this printed by on the internet and shipped towards you. The final results look like this when they're 3D printed. Now these are very thin and they can fall out easily. As you can see, they're very delicate. We're not sure how long they're gonna last, but this solution is much more cheaper than actually buying the whole unit. So let's get this installed and see it working. Now to remove this from your car is quite easy. I'll share a link into the video above. Once you get it out of your car, get the smallest Allen key you can find. It's a 1.5, and remove the surrounding bezel. There are 4 points around the bezel, loosened up with the Allen key. That should slide off. So once we have the bezel around, you can see everything's exposed. Once you have exposed everything, what you want to do is get a pair of tweezers and remove broken components, and they just come off straight away. We're just going to cover this so it doesn't stay exposed. Now the old ones look like this. They snapped and they were bending, so when they rotate they hit against each other, which causes the failure. And as you can see, the 3D printed ones just slide in. Now, one tip is when we're putting it back in the car, we have to make everything, we have to rewind everything to 0. Okay, so let's just take this off. It's quite straightforward. Start from the front. Should pop off easily. Now in the meantime, while we're getting the thing scanned and all that, we just went ahead and bought one from a GT3, which is kind of nice color that complements our car. But we're really keen on seeing if the updated one has been fixed with that simple sort of low-cost solution. Okay, we have it connected. Let's give it a go. Okay, as you can see, the outer unit never gave us a problem. It was those little needles. So let this stop and give it a reset. Okay, the needles do go around. that's something good. Reset again. Yeah, completely works. Start the timing again. We'll see if the actual thing will move along after a minute. And we did. It just moved. Might not see it in the camera, but that needle moved. So just stop it and reset. Cool stuff. Thank you for watching. Hope this was useful and will save you a lot of money. If you aren't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that notification bell button below. Thanks and take care.